This is the 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet. Coming in white with a full black leather interior, this can be yours today from Reserve Auto Group. A timeless modern machine, this 911 is extremely loaded from the factory. Sitting on gloss black performance wheels, P0s, and a premium package plus, you'll be sure to turn some heads. The interior receives a sporty upgrade with the Chrono package in sport mode with 14-way power bucket seats. Under the hood is a 3.8-liter six-cylinder, delivering 400 horsepower to the rear wheels.